Want to get cheat sheets, audiobooks, lessons, apps, and much more every month for free? Just click the link in the description to get your free language gifts of the month.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Thai Top Words. I'm Jay, and today we'll be doing a lesson about making complaints in Thai. Okay, let's get started. หิวจะตายแล้ว I'm starving. หิวจะตายแล้ว I'm starving. หิว actually means hungry, and จะตายแล้ว is like I'm going to die soon. So I feel like I'm dying because of the hunger. I mean, like, yeah, it sounds funny, but together หิวจะตายแล้ว is a kind of a phrase that we use quite often too when we are very, very hungry. So you can use that when you are very hungry and you want to whine or complain it out. เสียงดัง it's noisy. เสียงดัง it's noisy. I really hate it when people are noisy or people just being inconsiderate and talk loud in a place that they shouldn't, like in a library. But I mean, sometimes I'm very noisy too, so I can't complain that much. Anyway, for this word, you will hear it often in a library or in a very quiet place. Like a librarian might come out and say, เสียงดังไปแล้วนะ it's too noisy. So you will hear that often. อากาศร้อน is hot. This word is very suitable for Thai people or people who are visiting Thailand. อากาศร้อน อากาศร้อน is hot. Well, I can't say that it's a complaint. Maybe it's just a fact. You know, like the weather is hot, so we said when the weather is hot, it doesn't mean that we have to complain it out or it is a complaint. But yeah, you will hear it often in Thailand too, especially during our summer, which is around like April. It's very hot, like 40 degrees Celsius there. So if you go to Thailand during that time and you feel it's a bit too hot for you, you can use this phrase. อากาศร้อน it's hot. แพงเกินไป it's too expensive. This phrase, I think personally, is very useful for people who love to shop. แพงเกินไป it's too expensive. แพงเกินไป it's too expensive. You can use this as a way to complain to our seller if you feel like the goods that you are buying is too expensive for you. Like, you know that in Thailand, you can actually bargain for the things that you are buying if it's sold on the street. So if you want them to lower the price, you can use this phrase as well. Like, แพงเกินไป ลดให้หน่อยได้ไหม It's too expensive. Can you lower the price a bit? ฉันอ้วนขึ้น I got fat. This sentence I'm going to teach you is something that I said like million times. ฉันอ้วนขึ้น I got fat. I'm not pregnant, okay? I got fat. I got fat. ฉันอ้วนขึ้น I think girls love to use this phrase to complain, even though they are not fat at all. But for me, yeah, I say it quite often too. Seriously, I feel like I got fatter. If you watch my videos for the past like 2 or 3 years, you can see that I am getting a bit chubbier. I don't know why I'm complaining this now, but yeah. ฉันจนตลอด I'm always broke. I overspend my money too. That's why I kind of feel like this sentence is very useful and it's quite common to complain it out. ฉันจนตลอด I'm always broke. Actually, จน means poor. If you say ฉันจน it means I'm poor. But it doesn't mean that you're poor. Maybe like you are short for this month, this particular month. Like for me, I'm always broke. So I don't know if there is any particular month for me that I'm rich. Yeah. งานของฉันน่าเบื่อ My job is boring. Well, I heard a lot of my friends complaining about this, like about their jobs being a bit tedious, being boring, and they want to change job. For me, I feel like finding jobs is like finding a partner in life. You have to be with that job for like years, for 10 years, 20 years, who knows. So it's better for you to find a job that you like. For me, I really love this job. I mean, it's like I get to teach, I get to like be on the camera, and I get to make people happy about like learning Thai. So I feel like I love my job. Yeah, and you should too. รถติดมาก There is too much traffic. รถติด actually means traffic jam. So for this phrase รถติดมาก รถ means cars or automobiles, and ติด means like they're stuck together. มาก is like a lot, right? So together it's like cars are stuck together a lot. So together it means there is traffic jam. I think it's quite useful for you if you are going to Thailand, because I'm not proud to say, but yeah, we still have this problem of having traffic jam in the city, and I hope that someone fix it soon. I mean, like people shouldn't spend hours on the road, you know. Wi-Fi ที่นี่ช้าเกินไป The Wi-Fi here is too slow. Yes, because we are the mobile phone generation, we need Wi-Fi all the time. I too. And if you notice the word here, Wi-Fi, actually we use the English word to refer to Wi-Fi. So you just say like Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi ที่นี่ช้าเกินไป Wi-Fi here is too slow. If you are going to Thailand, I would recommend you to get a tourist SIM card. I think it's very cheap. Seriously, it's very cheap. Like 200 baht for 1 month. Okay, I'm not sure about that, but I remember it's very cheap. And if you have that, then you don't need to borrow other people or the shop's Wi-Fi at all, and you have a pleasant time in Bangkok. คนนั้นตัวเหม็น That person stinks. คนนั้นตัวเหม็น That person stinks. Okay, well, yeah. I mean, like, it can be a complaint, but don't complain it too loud. It's not nice. I mean, I know I don't like people who stinks too, but sometimes they can't help it, you know. Okay, we are done for today's lesson. What is the complaint that you always make? For me, it is ฉันอ้วนขึ้น ฉันอ้วนขึ้น I got fat. How about you guys? Let us know in the comment below, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and go to thaipod101.com. Bye, see you next time.
Great work! Don't forget your free language learning downloads. Get free cheat sheets, lessons, and audiobooks every month. Sign up for your premium gifts of the month right now. Just click the link in the description.